Hey, so here's Truist Mobile app. So to install it on iPhone, just tap Get and yeah, confirm your Face ID or Touch ID. So yeah, you can just take care of everyday banking, join some innovative feature, accounts and cards, transfer and pay, plan and insights. So that's quite a new app. As you can see, there's like only 430 ratings for 2.5 out of 5 average review here. So yeah, but interesting to explore. So these are some screenshots. And then you can just tap open. And then then you just need to sign in. It's not possible to create an account here, I guess. So you need to go to the website, create an account, and then sign in here with the details. So yeah, that's I guess how it works. Hope it is helpful.